my name is Shannon Bradley, and this is my video for the Enhancement 1 assignment. Here's my template, and you can see that it has all of the basic elements needed for the website. There's navigation, a header, a footer, and the body. There's also a background image, like the assignment looked, and directions. And let's move on to the home page. So in the home page, you can see that background photo. There's a border, there's a header, a footer, a navigation. There's the DeLorean description, and then the upgrades and reviews are in a side-by-side because of grid. And there are links that aren't hooked up. The home leads to the home page, and the rest are blank. And let's look at it in medium view. So here's how it looks on an iPad. It's about the same, just a little bit skinnier. Same basic elements. Still see the background. There's still side by side down here. And then once we go into the mobile view, there's no background photo, so it's easier to see the words that are written. And we still see the description and the photos are all working. And the upgrades and the reviews are in one column. But everything is, all the basic elements are still there. And then if we go to look at my validation, here is validation for the HTML, and there are no errors. And then with the CSS, there are no errors. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.